Hi, it's Romeo Sykes with another exciting episode of Business Leader TV. And today we have another special guest star, an experienced attorney from Virginia Beach. And our question today that we're posing to Stephen Pfeiffer is, how does someone find a great DUI attorney in Virginia Beach?
Romeo, it's great to be with you, and thank you for asking that question. To find a great DUI attorney in Virginia Beach, you need to find somebody who is well-respected, well-reviewed, and who is real. I'll walk through each of those areas for you if you'd like.
Absolutely. Please, can you elaborate on those, what you feel is important?
Most certainly. Well-respected would mean somebody who has a knowledge base in DUI law, someone whose main focus area is practicing and defending people on DUI cases. Additionally, you want somebody who focuses their attention in the jurisdiction in which you've been charged. For example, if you were charged in Virginia Beach, you want somebody who's in Virginia Beach as much as possible. And with regard to respect, you look for somebody who has a knowledge base outside of just general run-of-the-mill court appearances. Has that person been published on DUI law? Does that person lecture on DUI law? This is the knowledge base you are looking for a well-respected DUI attorney. We look at reviews. This is an era of reviews. You can find reviews on just about anyone or anything online. Additionally, you have friends and family who normally have experience with attorneys in one way or another. Ask friends and families for recommendations, or ask them if they know the attorney you're looking at. Additionally, go online and look at that person up. Read the reviews. Take the time to see what previous clients have said about that individual. And finally, someone who's real. It's very important for both the attorney as well as the client to have somebody they trust and respect. That trust is developed in the initial consultation, and make sure the person you work with is someone you just have a good gut feeling about.
Those are some great key insights. I have another question. What type of quality of service would someone look for? Because searching for an attorney, especially in a case of DUI, it's very nerve-wracking.
Well, the quality of service looking for is someone who, again, has a knowledge base and expertise in that certain area. By expertise, I mean focuses their attention there. 2, someone who's responsive. This is the most important thing you're facing in your life if you've been charged with a DUI. You want somebody who's going to be there to pick up the phone and to speak with you and not basically put you on the back burner. So find somebody who is proven to be responsive in your request, in your dialogue. And finally, again, you just need to find somebody who knows you and knows you on a personal level, lets you be part of the decision going forward, but informs you on the information you need to make an informed decision by using their expertise and knowledge and skill set to help you make the decisions you need as to whether to plead guilty, to fight, or to look for alternative options in your case.
That sounds fantastic. What type of experience does someone have with your company?
Well, the experience they normally have with me is they're going to receive an attorney who is frankly humble in what he does. I want to work with people on a level that we both understand. I want you to know every step of the process and to feel comfortable with every step of the process. But I also want you to know you have somebody who's going to turn over every rock and look at every defense possible to see if we can vindicate you from these charges. But I will never sugarcoat what we talk about, and I think any good attorney will do that. They're not there to be your friend. They're there to be your attorney and to protect you and your rights. So the experience that you should get with an experienced DUI attorney is that of truthfulness and, frankly, a pleasantness, and just knowing that you're working with somebody who knows you, knows your situation, and knows how to navigate you through the legal system.
These are eye-opening things, Stephen. Exactly like you said, you're not looking for someone to be your friend. You're looking for someone to defend you. That's key points. That's amazing when someone's looking for a great DUI attorney in Virginia Beach. So I know that you do something special for people who are going through this, especially for the first time, or maybe they're going through it again and they didn't get good results, or they need help and they're looking for a great DUI attorney. What offer?
I'm happy to share with everybody that I do provide a free consultation. I give you a minimum of 30 minutes of my time free. I'm going to hear the evidence that you have. I'm going to hear your story. I'm going to hear your backstory. We're going to sit down and talk about it, and I'm going to do an evaluation based on what you told me of how I would proceed going forward for you. Every case is different. I have different facts, different people involved, but one thing can be consistent. I can provide you information. whether or not you choose to hire me and we have a good relationship and decide to go forward, or whether or not I send you to another attorney that maybe you work better with. You're going to walk out of my office with information.
So Stephen, let me ask you this question. If someone right now were watching this and they needed to contact not just a DUI attorney, but a great DUI attorney, how would they contact you, Stephen Pfeiffer?
Well, they wanted to contact me. The number they would call to get to my direct dial, my direct phone on my desk is 757-554-0258. Again, that's 757-554-0258. You're not going to go to a switchboard. You're going to go to my desk, to my personal phone, so that I can get back to you timely.
You're giving them something that very rarely is given out, your personal cell phone number. So if anyone is out there and they need the help and they're looking for a great DUI attorney in Virginia Beach, one last time, it's really slow, can you tell them your name and your contact information?
I'm Steve Pfeiffer at Wolcott Rivers Gates, and my phone number is 757-554-0258.
And today at Business Leader TV, we want to thank our special guest star, Stephen Pfeiffer from Virginia Beach. And we want to just say one thing. Stephen, you've helped everybody with insightful information, and we really appreciate your time. Thank you.
My pleasure.
And it's Romeo Sykes with another informal and exciting Business Leader TV episode, and we'll see you on the next one.